What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing Ancestral Supplements line. They have pasture-raised, grass-fed and grass-finished, hormone, pesticide, and GMO-free, no fillers, no flow agents. It's a very clean and pure brand that is giving you mainly organ meats from New Zealand and Australia. So the reason why that is significant, and it's something that I looked at and I was like, well, I'd rather have local grass-fed organ meats than something from another country. But then I thought about it and I was like, well, New Zealand and Australia seem to be very clean and pure countries. So I wonder if they're better quality, they have better quality beef over there. So I looked up this little AI overview and it said, Australia and New Zealand are often considered to have healthier produce and meat better than the US, predominantly because their grass-fed diets, strict traceability of the cow from the entire sort of life cycle, fewer growth hormones, lower antibiotic use, resulting in leaner beef with beneficial fats and higher omega-3s. So basically better diets, lower hormones and antibiotics, and better disease traceability, and it even said better genetics because of the resilience of the pasture-fed lower input systems for these cows. So they're literally genetically superior cows to US-based cows, which kind of makes me want to visit New Zealand and Australia and have a steak. I mean, we've all heard that Australia has great steaks, and now it actually makes sense, right? So what I like about Ancestral Supplements in comparison to other brands, like for example, Heart and Soil or Paleo Valley, is that Ancestral Supplements, they use beef from New Zealand and Australia, which honestly, that's actually pretty cool. I didn't know that. And I've seen Ancestral Supplements for many years. I've seen the Liver King for many years, and I just simply didn't know that. So I was actually thoroughly impressed with the supplement. This is just their beef liver supplement, as you can see here. And the first thing I noticed is that when I open the bottle, I like to do this because I've taken many supplements over the years. I've spent probably 50 grand or more in supplements in my lifetime. What I do is give it a good smell, give it a good whiff. How alive does the supplement bottle smell? And when I smell this, it smells very alive and very livery, which is a good thing. So I liked that, and I started taking it. It's been a few weeks now, and one of the things I noticed is that my eyes got a little bit whiter when I took this supplement. And the reason that's significant is because your eyes are a telltale sign it's an indicator of where your liver health is at. So red bloodshot eyes or yellow jaundice eyes are indicators that your liver health needs support. And I do take liver supplements, but I think when I added this, it's just honestly a very high quality liver supplement. And I also take this at the same time, the grass-fed organ complex from Paleo Valley, which is 100% grass-fed as well, grass-fed finished, that kind of thing. And this is beef liver, heart, and kidney, okay? So, and I'll talk about this in a bit. Heart and Soil, they're based in Texas here where I am. They're pretty exceptional too. This is their joint repair, but they have good organ meats as well. So these are three really great brands. But I'll be honest, Ancestral Supplements did impress me because I like that the New Zealand, Australia sort of angle of like more superior organ meats. I never even thought about that. With that being said, I will say liver is your master metabolism organ, so it is good to take liver organ supplements because it gives your liver the specific nutritional profile that it needs in order to keep your liver strong and healthy and doing what it needs to do, which is fat and protein metabolism, hormone regulation, detoxification, and 600 other plus signaling processes within the human body. So I would give this supplement 5 out of 5 stars. It's absolutely exceptional. And I'm gonna be paying more attention to Ancestral Supplements moving forward because I like that they're using a more superior beef quality. With that being said, I still will take, and I still really like Paleo Valley's grass-fed organ complex. The reason for that is because it is liver, that's the highest amount, then heart, then kidney. And your heart being incredibly important because the #1 cause of death in the United States is heart disease. And then kidneys, a lot of people have stress and their kidneys get depleted. Kidneys are very important. A lot of people have kidney depletion. So I just really like this because, obviously the liver is great. If I want to like really tune up my liver, I can take the liver, but I really like Paleo Valley's organ complex because of it's 2,700 milligrams of liver. This is 3,000 milligrams of liver. They're both 6 capsules, but this is just a little bit less liver, 2,700 milligrams, but but on top of that, it has 540 milligrams of heart and 360 milligrams of kidney. So you're getting almost the same amount of liver as this, but you're also getting 540 milligrams and 360 milligrams of heart and kidney respectively, which is going to support your heart and kidney health as well. So if you're looking for like an optimized liver routine, yeah, this may be great, but for ongoing maintenance, this is my multivitamin of choice in terms of organ meat supplements because it gives me a better range. And the range that they built this formula with, highest liver, then heart, then kidneys, makes the most sense because your liver is larger and then your heart and then your kidneys are the smallest. So it just literally, the formulation makes a lot of sense from a practical perspective of the amount of liver, heart, kidney. So I like both of these. I'll link this up below to Amazon. This I will link up below with a 15% off link so you can save some money if you want to take liver, but also get heart and kidney as well. Maybe you want to support your heart and kidney, or you have heart or kidney things in your family. This is going to be good to give you a broader range of those nutrients for those organs. And last but not least, another great company that you might want to consider is Heart and Soil. I don't have their organ meat right now, but this is their joint repair. They have really exceptional organ meat supplements. They also have a really great colostrum powder they just came out with, which is exceptional for gut health. So that is another super high quality company. Heart and Soil, Ancestral Supplements, and Paleo Valley are my top 3 go-to brands when it comes to organ meats and just healthy sort of carnivore keto-based supplements and products. They're all exceptional and they do an incredible job, and they're all very high quality, grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised, these types of things. So I will link all of these supplements up below along with discount codes, because I have discount codes for Paleo Valley and Heart and Soil. So if you want to check out their colostrum or their organ meat supplements, you can check those out below. And the Ancestral Supplements, once again, I really liked it, and I will be incorporating it more often just when I want to tune up my liver. But in terms of maintenance, Paleo Valley is my go-to, and Heart and Soil for the sort of specific optimization, the joint repair, because it's like collagen and peptides, and the colostrum for gut health. So they're all very similar, and I recommend checking out all 3 brands because they all offer different sort of complementary things. That's it for this video. If you want to learn more about what I do and learn more about how you can benefit from my work, I'm a health and wellness coach at Healthy Wild Free. And what I do is I do health and wellness reviews here on YouTube, but I also compiled a list of over 30 different health and wellness brands at healthywildfree.com/shop. That list will give you discount codes, free shipping, and special offers on high quality brands that I personally recommend to my health and wellness coaching clients. So if you want to get that list, it's everything from supplements, superfoods, actual foods, water filtration, shower filters, hydrogen water bottles, red light therapy, barefoot minimalist shoes, and so much more for health, wellness, fitness, beauty, and so much more. Check out the link below in the description at healthywildfree.com/shop, and make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below. Happy to answer those for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.